Imagine this, you're scrolling through your feed, and bam! A sleek, shiny new iPhone. The latest model, the one with the camera that makes your pet look like a professional influencer. You want it. Badly. Like, sell a kidney on the black market badly. But, your bank account? It's singing the blues. A sad, melancholic tune of ramen noodles for the next month. Sound familiar? We've all been there, staring longingly at the tech we crave, while our wallets weep. Now, you've probably heard whispers of these by now, pay later services. They promise the world, a financial fairy godmother waving a magic wand and delivering your desires in neat, little installments. And you're wondering, can they truly be the answer to your iPhone dreams? Specifically, can Beforepay, that app that seems to pop up everywhere, be your ticket to that glorious Apple logo? Let's cut through the noise, the flashy ads, and the confusing jargon. We're diving deep into the world of Beforepay and the question that's burning a hole in your pocket: can you actually use it to snag that iPhone? Here's the thing. Beforepay isn't your traditional buy now, pay later in the sense of a point-of-sale loan. It's more of a wage advance service. Think of it as a bridge, a short-term financial boost until your next paycheck lands. It's designed to help you cover those unexpected expenses, those little bumps in the road that threaten to derail your budget. So, how does this relate to your iPhone dreams? Well, Beforepay allows you to access a portion of your upcoming wages, typically up to $200, or sometimes a bit more, depending on your eligibility. They assess your income, spending habits, and repayment history to determine what you qualify for. Now, here's the crucial part. You can't directly buy an iPhone through Beforepay's platform. They don't partner with Apple stores or electronics retailers in that way. What you can do is use the wage advance to supplement your existing funds. Let's say you've got $800 saved for that iPhone, but it's retailing for $1,200. You could potentially use Beforepay to get that extra $200, or close to it, bridging that gap. This means you're essentially using it to increase your immediate spending power. However, remember this, Beforepay charges a fixed 5% fee on each advance. So, that $200 advance will cost you $10. It's crucial to factor this in when considering your budget. It's not free money, and you'll need to repay it, typically within a few days or weeks, depending on your pay cycle. So, can you buy an iPhone with Beforepay? Technically, no. You can't directly purchase it through the app. But, can you use Beforepay to help buy an iPhone? Absolutely, by strategically using the wage advance to supplement your funds. It's a tool, like any other financial tool. Used wisely, it can be helpful. But, it's essential to understand the fees and repayment terms before diving in. Don't let the allure of instant gratification lead to a cycle of debt. Budget carefully, plan responsibly, and make sure that shiny new iPhone is a smart financial decision, not a burden. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.